This constitution, as you all know, is one of the best and longest written document in the world. The preamble of the constitution, which clearly says, we the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to give unto its citizens justice, social, political, economic, liberty of faith, thought, equality of status and opportunities, and fraternity of unity and integrity. These four principles, the core principles of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, are enshrined in the preamble of the Indian Constitution, and that is the spirit of India.
First of all, I'm very happy that you have really understood the spirit of our Constitution. I'm also told that you are also going to read the preamble today. First, protect the plural society by upholding secularism. Second, I suggest to students you should never exhibit any religious or caste bias in your career and in your life. Third one is work to eliminate inequality, unjust inequality in this society. These are my 3 suggestions on this auspicious Republic Day. And let us remember the great Telugu poet Gurazada Apparao. We have in Telugu language only 3 Mahakavis, as they say. One is Nannaya, second one is Gurazada, third one is Sri Sri. Gurazada told, దేశమంటే మట్టి కాదోయ్, దేశమంటే మనుషులోయ్. So let us respect people. Let us respect the dignity of the people. Let us respect the life of the people. Thank you very much.
So entrepreneur skill development is the main important for the development of the country. So we will, for the whoever the entrepreneurs who want to take up the ventures and who will provide that employment opportunity, we are there to help the people who is having the skill development and who is the constraint of this thing. So I am very happy. So this Vignan Foundation is producing the students of highly skilled development. So I want to close this speech is with Mahatma Gandhi's saying that a nation's culture resides in the hearts and in the soul of its people. So let us promise our motherland that we do everything to enrich and preserve our heritage and our ethos, our ethics, and our treasure. Wishing you all a happy Republic Day. Always keep smiling and always be happy. Thanking you.
And on this occasion, when you see it in a narrow way of the society and what is going on around, maybe sometimes we may be disappointed. Because there are lots of communal issues, lots of religious issues, lots of other issues, red tapeism, corruption, all these things are there. We are a bit disappointed. But if you look at the whole development in the broader perspective, yes, we are really happy, and we are very much fit to conduct these kind of events in a big way. So what is that broader perspective of looking at the country? So having so many religions, having so many languages, having so many communities, creed, and with all these things, country is in the united form. We are living together. That itself is the greatest achievement for this country. Yes, that itself is the greatest achievement, I believe, for this country, and to hold the Republic Day or any national days in a big way. This 21st century is a very peculiar century. Very peculiar century. I think all of you must have grasped it. So in this century, normally land is not the property. Buildings are not the property. Gold is not the property. Big factories are not the properties. Normally people think of it. Yes, they are not the properties, real properties. In this century, The real property is the intellectual property. Knowledge is the property. That is the special future of this 21st century. So my young people, young students, so be ready in the line. Be ready in that, do it in a focused way. Do it in a dedicated way. Do it in a disciplined way. Knowledge is the ultimate thing. So acquire the knowledge in a systematic way and make it really, contribute this country indirectly or directly with a big deal. But apart from the knowledge, try to be ethical. Try to behave like a human being. Try to grow as good personalities. So this is how I request all of them. Already I have mentioned, you know pretty well, that we made a mark in Vizag Institute, having got 22 people with 30 lakhs package at the age of 19 years. I don't know, sir has got 30 lakhs package or not, but at 13 years age, so they got 30 lakhs package. So 19 years age. Still they are in the college. Still they got the 30 lakhs package. That is the power of the knowledge. That is the power of the intellectual element. So this is how I wish you to grow. I hope and you grow not only in the knowledge part, and be conscious of environment, be good with others, be good to the society, serve the society, and I hope, yes, it is not the individual growth that matters in this century. It is the growth of your team that matters for this century. Hope you understand the spirit of this century. I wish you all the best on this Republic Day, and let you contribute directly or indirectly for the growth of this country.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought expressions, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind.
आजा जिंदे शामे आने के तले आजा जहरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो जय हो
భగ 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 భగమండే నిప్పుల వర్షమొచ్చినా జనగణమన అంటూనే దూకేవాడే సైనికుడు ఫెళ 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 ఫెళమంటూ మంచు తుఫాను వచ్చినా వెనకడుగే లేదంటూ దాటేవాడే సైనికుడు దడ 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 దడమంటూ తూటాలే దూసుకొచ్చినా తన గుండెను అడ్డు పెట్టి ఆపేవాడే సైనికుడు మరణాయుధాలు ఎన్నెదురైనా ప్రాణాన్ని ఎదురు పంపేవాడు ఒకడే ఒకడు